Hey guys, quick video because I've got some important updates about Canvas syncing to PowerSchool. Number one, before we even get started on the rest of it, is know that assignments don't sync from Canvas to PowerSchool until at least one student has a grade entered for that assignment. So assignments, like at first I was thinking it was based on due dates or whatever, but once a single student has any grade entered for it, that's when it will sync to PowerSchool. Casey Olson said he's working on this because he doesn't see the benefit in doing it, so he's really trying to get that changed, but a lot of things change between the syncing process and PowerSchool and Canvas and all that stuff this summer. I will bring that up at the staff meeting and we can talk more about that. The other thing I wanted to show you is that these little arrow going into the paper things, it shows that it's a grade category that's crossed or imported to PowerTeacher Pro is still a thing. I didn't realize that. I've had problems with some assignments syncing and some assignments not. As you can see, I've already imported these in this class, but I'm going to show you the process really quick in another class and how to do that. So here I am on the assignments page. Go over to the snowman. I want to sync SIS categories. So I still need to sync SIS categories. Take a second to load. This one says it's unassociated. I want my assignments to go to classwork. I want my assessments to go straight to tests. And look at this. I could even say, oh, I want all my imported assignments to go to classwork as well. So I'm going to sync those categories. And this is actually a fairly quick process. And here I can see synchronized, 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 fully synchronized. Yay! So now when I go back and refresh this page, all of these will come up with those fancy little arrow things to show that they are assignment categories that are linked to assignment categories in PowerTeacher Pro, so that hopefully there will be more successfully in the two of them talking to each other. The other update that I have from Casey is at this point, the little toggle switch to please cover my butt and make sure that my grades get synced every night is not a thing. You have to manually push the grades every time as frequently as you want to do it. I did notice that it takes a significantly shorter amount of time to sync those grades. So hopefully that would help. Or hopefully that will help. Whatever. It's late and I'm recording this video so that I can get it to you tomorrow. But we'll go over any questions that you have at the staff meeting.